The purpose of the video is to show you how to find academic peer-reviewed journal articles on any subject via the Proctor Library website. What you're looking at here is the library's website at library.flagler.edu/libhome. You'll notice that there are many tabs and hot links for you to explore, more than I can show you in a brief video like this. So what I will do is show you how to get to a database that is geared to a particular subject. First, notice the Collections and Resources tab near the top of the page. When you move your cursor over it, a menu opens. Click on Resources by Subject. Down the left side of this page, you'll see a list of academic disciplines taught here at Flagler College. You can select one of them to get access to various research guides created for doing research in the subject, as well as guides created for specific courses in the same subject. Let's click on Education. After that, click on Education to get to the General Research Guide on the subject of education. This Education Research Guide features the best sources for education research. Notice the tabs on the left side that include a tab for finding information using articles and databases. Click there to get to the databases geared especially for research and education. Down the middle of this page, you'll see hot links to 6 different databases indexing peer-reviewed academic journals on education. For now, we will take a closer look at an EBSCO database called Education Full Text. You know you're looking at an EBSCO database when you see the long red bar at the top of the page and the seal of Flagler College on both the left and the right. Notice the 3 search fields at the top left. If you enter a keyword or phrase in the first field and click Search, you will get results. But notice the other options available to you to tailor your search precisely. First, you can tell the database that you're interested in finding articles that are full text. Just right of that, you can tell the database to retrieve only those full text articles that are in peer-reviewed academic journals by clicking here. If you think your research will be enhanced by statistics, scroll down on the page a bit, look under Image Quick View Types, and select Graph, Chart, and Diagram, since statistics typically are displayed in such formats. After that, you're ready to do a search. Let's type into the first search field, Elementary Education, and then in the second, Cognition and Learning. Just to the right of the search fields are menus that you can open to select which part of a bibliographic record you want the database to look for the keywords and phrases of your search. For starters, we will leave it on Select a Field so that the search will yield the most results possible. So now we'll click Search. So our search has found 133 full-text scholarly peer-reviewed articles. You'll notice we're looking at the first 10 of the 133 articles on this page. On the left side of the page, you have several tools to refine the results of the search. This bar indicates that the oldest article in our results was published in 1983 and the latest in 2017. You can refine these results to get the most recent publications by sliding the left button toward the right. Notice how the number of peer-reviewed articles found has changed. Below the publication date bar, you can also click on Subject to get a list of the subject headings of the articles in the results list. Let's go ahead and have a look at some details of our results. Notice the title of each article found is in red. Below that, you can see the bibliographic information, including the names of the authors, the journal title, date, volume and issue numbers, and the page numbers. Below that information, you get a quick view of the subject headings of the article. The subject headings of any article are key to determining whether or not the article you're looking at will be useful in answering your research question. But more on that in a moment. Finally, below the subject headings, you see a hot link to the PDF version of the article. Let's go ahead and click on the title of the article. On this page, you have all the important information about the article you will need to determine if it may be useful in answering your research question. Notice again the names of the authors, the journal title, the remaining bibliographic information. Below that is a list of the subject headings suggesting to you exactly what the article is about. Moreover, with this article, you have author-supplied keywords offering even more precision about the article's subject. Finally, notice the abstract or summary of the article, typically written by the authors. Having access to a summary of the article, the subject headings, and author-supplied keywords makes it rather easy for you to decide if this article is a keeper. If it is a good article, you can open the PDF and print it. Or you can email the article information to yourself, or you can even create your own account with EBSCO by clicking Sign In and following instructions for creating an account. Then you can save good articles to folders that you create and will have access to as long as you have access to EBSCO databases. Alright, that's the end of this instructional video. Remember, if you ever run into problems doing research, you are welcome to contact me by telephone or email. Have a great day.